Good afternoon, travelers. It is the end of our workday here, day 4 of working in Tamarindo, and we are off to a beach that's name is in Spanish and she's better at pronouncing.
We are heading to Playa San Juanillo.
And it's a pretty cool beach because it kind of juts out into the ocean and there's ocean on 3 sides. So it's like a small peninsula, but it's just a sliver of beach. Should look pretty cool, and according to the weather radar, it's the only place that doesn't have rain this afternoon.
Yes, so wish us luck.
We have arrived safely. That is fairly significant because that was the most brutal 16 miles. Was it 16?
I think so.
Yeah, 16 miles of driving that took probably the better part of an hour. The roads were so bad, but we are here. This isn't the main moneymaker place, but a little bit further up this way where we're gonna walk, there is the peninsula that sticks out, so let's go and check that out. So, as I mentioned before, back at the hotel, the coolest thing about this beach, as you can see behind me, it's the ocean. But over here, just on the other side, it's more ocean. So, that's pretty cool. Oh, there's Victoria. So, it's pretty awesome. It's really beautiful here, and there's like nobody around. Well, we made it back to the car just in time because it is about to pour. As you can see up there, it's looking very gray. So hopefully this nasty 16-mile drive won't be affected too much by the rain, but I'm not going to get my hopes up.
We have some new friends. Ooh, new friends. Hi, new friends. We finally made it back to our hotel. It took us longer than expected, but I mean, it is also raining and it's dark. Right now we're actually gonna grab some dinner and then we're just gonna relax. Hopefully it's still raining a little bit so we can jump on the pool, but we'll see.
And only one more day of work this week.
Yay! We got soaked and we crossed the river.
It is now Friday, last day of work. We just finished up for the day.
We made it!
And we are now about to go out. We're gonna walk around town a little bit and then we have surf lessons. So surfing was a huge success. I was kind of bummed we weren't able to take the camera with us out there, but we had a great time. Victoria caught a couple of waves. I caught a bunch. It was a good time. All right, so we are cleaned up. Back out in town, we found this awesome little market kind of place.
Mercado. And it has like multiple like shop areas, like restaurants. And it just looked really pretty and we're excited to see it at night just because we found it during the day. So we're gonna check it out for dinner.
Yeah, let's go get our grub on.
When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes.
We just finished eating at the Mercado. It was really, really good. They had so many options. I mean, there was tacos, pokeballs, something. Like there was arepas, there were sushi. It was really good and it had such a huge variety. I recommend it.
Yeah, we ended up trying the poke bowls and the tacos, and those were both fantastic. I'd imagine everything else is probably just as good.
We are just wrapping out our last night here in Tamarindo. We are cheering with the coffee IPA, which is actually our favorite beer so far here in Costa Rica at our favorite place. So yeah, here's to many more adventures.
Well, that was really relaxing and enjoyable. They had some live music there, which was a lot of fun. And now we're headed back to the hotel for the night. Successful work week complete.
And now we're going for week number 2.
Yeah, in between we have to plan our entire weekend of fun. That's what we're going to do right now. But if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to go ahead and hit the like button. Give us a subscribe to see the rest of our adventures. And
we'll see you all in our next game.
bye, everyone.